Today I'm going to show you how to clean and replace the O-ring on a Variable Valve Timing Solenoid for 2008. I am changing the O-ring because I am having an oil leak problem and it's coming from this O-ring. I don't have no engine light on because of the solenoid. The only problem I am having is the O-ring. So I'm going to show you how to replace it and clean it up. I'm going to be using this O-ring absorbent. It has all type of O-rings. So we're going to find the one that belongs in here. And what I'm going to be using to clean it is some brake cleaner. And I'm also going to be using this to remove the O-ring. So now this O-ring has been here for a while. So when you try to remove it, it's a possibility that it's going to break, but it's okay because we are going to put a new one in it. So all we have to do is just take this and find a nice little spot that we can remove this O-ring. If it breaks, it's okay because we just put a new one, and that's because it's so brittle. You see it? All it's gonna do is break because it's been there so long. And this is the reason why it's leaking. See it? So now you removed it, and what we're gonna do is now is we're gonna clean it. I noticed the other brake cleaner was a little empty, so I'm gonna be using this one. And all we have to do to clean it is just make sure we clean all around. And you see with the screens, it has some screens in there. You wanna make sure that the screens is not broken. Now that you cleaned it and inspect the screen and everything looks good, what you want to do is go to the O-ring kit, and right inside you're gonna just look for the correct one. What I did was I took the one that's broken and I sized them up together. And all you have to do is take the O-ring. Now it's better to do this with a little oil, but you put it in there like this. You use like a little pick. Be careful that you don't get cut. You put it in between and just be careful bringing it down. Once it's in, start rolling it down and perfect. See that? It's the correct O-ring. So this is how you clean and replace the O-ring on a 2008 Honda Accord solenoid. Later.